Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is OKEMUTE, and today we're going to be trying out a braided wig, you guys. I can't remember the last time I tried out a braided wig. I think the last time I wore a braided wig was like 4 years ago, thereabout. And I've been seeing lots and lots of reviews on this Outre braided wig. I think they came out with 2 different types. The one that I have is a knotless triangle part braids, and I have her in the color 1B, and I'm pretty excited because this is going to be very interesting. Like I said, I can't remember the last time I tried out a braided wig, so let's just get right into unboxing this baby and seeing what we have. So this is what the stock card looks like, and this unit does come in other colors as well. It comes in 1, 1B, 2, so many other nice colors. Link is going to be in my description box, and it retails for $99.99 on SAMSBEAUTY's website. Direct link is going to be in my description box. We just have information about the unit in the stock card. Of course, this unit claims to have a 13x4 frontal HD lace knotless braid style, anyway pattern, lightweight and natural density, soft flexible braids, baby hair included, and pre-attached elastic band for a flat fit. So let's see what we have. So this is what she's looking like straight out of the pack. This unit comes with 2 combs in front, 1 comb at the back, and of course our adjustable straps. And we also have the extra elastic band for security. And this is what the lace is looking like, you guys. And you guys, this actually does feel lightweight. I don't know what I was expecting, but this definitely feels lightweight, and the braids look pretty nice already. We're just going to head right into styling, and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry.
Alright guys, so this is what we have after styling, and you guys, I actually really like this unit and I'm surprised because when it comes to braided wigs, I have my reservations about them because I always feel like it looks too wiggy, but surprisingly I actually like this one. I think I could have added a little bit of powder in this area, which I'm probably going to do later on, but anyways you guys, this is a very nice unit and I'm surprised, and this feels extremely lightweight. I don't even feel like I have anything on my head, which is surprising because some of the braided wigs that I've tried in the past, they always feel heavy when you put them on, but this feels really lightweight, and the braids are also done very neatly and nice. Can you guys see the tips? Very nice. I'm very surprised, but then again, it's Outre. Let's just take a minute to talk about how I styled this unit. You guys, I finally found something to tint my lace without having to use my powder or my foundation or anything like that. I saw Gladys aka Is That Your Hair use this to tint her lace in one of our videos. You guys need to check out Gladys' channel. She drops nice tips and tricks on how to melt your lace and how to have your lace looking as natural as possible. You guys just need to check out her channel. I'm going to leave the link to her channel in my description box, so in case you're interested on learning new tips and tricks, you can find it there. I'm also going to have the link to this in my description box as well, in case you're interested. You find it there too. And when I was done with that, I went in with my powder and I used that to just create illusions of like a scalp and your hairline and all of that good stuff. And also I went in with my Got to Be glue, the one in the yellow pack, and I used that to lay down the baby hairs that we have going on. If you know me on this channel, you know that I rarely ever use my baby hairs, but today I don't know, the spirit just said, you know, try to do some, you know, swoop down there. And that's pretty much all I did for styling, you guys. This unit is definitely worth your coins. I think she's beautiful. You can get away with doing a couple of hairstyles with this one, and she laid down pretty nice. I think I already said that. Love it, the braids, everything very neat. And yeah, you guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Have you tried out braided wigs? What do you think of braided wigs? Are you going to be trying that out? Have you tried out this one from Outre? Let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, share with your family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.